Gabriel ReadyMount complete strut assemblies are easy to install and don't require any additional parts. They come pre-assembled and can save you up to 1.5 hours in installation time versus traditional struts. Gabriel ReadyMounts are proven to go the distance with long-lasting performance and durability. Gabriel uses chromed piston rods to inhibit rust and corrosion that exceed OEM manufacturers' salt spray testing requirements. Some competitors didn't even make it halfway through the test. You wouldn't want those on your vehicle. Choose Gabriel ReadyMounts for superior corrosion protection and longer product life. Each new Gabriel ReadyMount design also goes through the gauntlet of 10 grueling component and unit tests to ensure structural integrity and durability to ensure a long service life. Best of all, each Gabriel part is 100% fit and ride tested by our Answer Garage technicians to ensure exceptional real-world performance. Lab results are great, but Gabriel's real-world vehicle testing ensures correct, hassle-free fit with optimum ride control performance for your application. Based in Gabriel's US headquarters, our Answer Garage techs are shock and strut experts and are a phone call away on Gabriel's toll-free tech line. They are here to answer any of your questions, from product selection and installation to technical questions and so much more. For the best quality complete strut assemblies available on the market, with easy installation and premium performance, choose Gabriel ReadyMount for the best ride control replacement experience.